Today in Taiwan, we're at Chiao Fong. I'm really excited to be here. This is a second generation family owned company, over 40 years in the making. Partnerships with AWEA continue to grow as they have over 50 machines, and over half of those are AWEA machines like you see here. Over 100 employees, 26,000 square meters to go along with that. And what happens when you bring all this together, machine some of the biggest components? Well, Mr. Shea is hanging out right around the corner, and we get to learn more about the first machine being invested in over 20 years ago. 15 years is the machine we're going to stand in front of, and then we have a whole lot of machines and industry to talk about today. So if you're out there looking for a reliable partner, someone who has big capacity for parts, Chiao Fong and Mr. Shea just might be your people. Well, let's go find them. Mr. Shea, how are you, sir?
Hey, Tony.
I apologize for interrupting. Looks like you're working.
Yes, it's still working, right? It's a good machine.
Good machine.
Good
So
machine.
we wanted to start here because this machine, 15 years old,
Yes,
running hard materials,
yes.
still working good.
Still working good. And we use this machine and every year, every day, 24 hours. So it's still working.
Yeah, this to me, this is how you know you're working with the right machine, the
Yeah.
right partner.
Yeah.
You guys have been around for over 40 years, you and your dad. This
Yeah.
machine, 15 years. You have another one that's 20 years, 24 hours a day,
Yes.
working all the time, and hard materials still working for you.
Yes.
What a great investment.
Yeah.
And because of this investment, you decided you wanted to buy a few more?
Yeah.
So for all of you watching, there is a machine around the corner that I really want to show you. But before we get there, and it is massive, I mean massive machine. But before we get there, I want you to understand that Mr. Shea, you guys, 15 years, 20 years, but also very new machines. And if it fits inside the machine, you guys are willing to machine it. So for anyone out there that's watching that says, Chiao Fong, let's give them a call. You're willing to give it a try, and you have some huge machines to help support anyone watching right now, right?
Yes. On the side, we have a 12-meter machine. So just let's go.
Let's go, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let's take that journey. I see a couple of smaller ones here. So these smaller ones kind of build some of the components that go into the bigger parts that you're making.
Yeah, we machine the workpiece parts and also the piece part and the welding and the assembly. So we are the big part. So we use the big part machine to machine in all the workpiece.
That makes sense. And look at those guys working hard.
Yeah, it's also working hard. So we machine the small one. We also machine the big one.
And material and industry, not so specific. You're willing to take on all the hard materials from any industry for whoever wants to work with you.
Yeah, we like the machine the casting, but we in different the industry. So we from the machine tools industry.
Awesome, I love it. Let's go ahead and show this audience this big machine.
Yeah.
And on our walk, let's make sure I have some of this right. Second generation, your dad started this
Yes.
over 40 years ago.
Yes.
Incredible. You have over 100 employees in 2 buildings
Yeah, two
with
buildings.
over 26,000 square meters.
Yes, in
And-
another 40 years.
Wow, and over 50 machines with more than half of those being AWEA machines.
Yeah.
Some of that is right.
Yeah, it's always right. We buy a lot of Aerospace machine because we think the Aerospace machine is good and you can use it longer. Now the sales is also a big help. If there's something we are the question, so we call the AWEA. So we are find quickly to solve our problem.
You like those guys at AWEA? They're good
Yeah.
people?
Yeah, it's a good people. It's a
So-
good team, right?
We have this big, massive machine here.
Yeah.
How many meters is this?
It's the 12 meter, the wide is the 6 meter. And then you can see the tallest is the 2.5 meters, So now you just a good lucky, and you can see the big part. It's the 6 meter parts. You can see it's a very different one.
And when we're making, what kind of jobs do you get on a machine so big?
Yeah. You can see the big one is the optronic electric, the industry, it's like the chamber.
And years ago, and maybe still, but years ago, you started by supporting the machine tool industry, right?
Yeah.
You have a lot of customers out there and you're machining the castings and all of these really difficult materials, again, relying on AWEA to make sure it can cut hard, big materials that are difficult, but with precision, right?
Yes. And even the casting, we use the AWEA machine. The machining the stainless, we use the AWEA machine. Machining the aluminum the parts, we also use the AWEA machine. Small one, big one, we all use the AWEA machine. It's a good machine.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah.
With you having over 50 machines and over half of those being from AWEA,
Yes.
and succeeding so much. You know, congratulations. I heard that Kevin is around here somewhere.
Yeah.
And we're actually going to hear his side of the story about how much he likes working with you as well.
Okay.
So if it's okay, I'm going to go try and find him because this is only half of the story, my friends. There's a whole nother side of the building with another 7 or 8 AWEA machines that are huge. Thanks to Mr. Shea, we get to see the whole shop and showcase to you what's going on here at Chiao Fong. So excited. I'm gonna try and find Kevin. I have no idea this place is huge. I don't know if I can find him.
Okay.
Let's try. Let's try. Ladies, I'm sorry. Kevin, I don't mean to interrupt. I apologize. We have a lot to talk about. It's good to see you again. Is it all right if I steal him away for a little bit?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Good to see you, Kevin.
You look like the Tony I saw the other day. I just want to make sure you are the right Tony.
This is a clone or the other was a clone? Can you figure out which is which?
I do my best. Actually, I'm Kevin 2.0.
Oh, wow. You must have had some coffee this morning.
Yes, power pack.
Well, I just got done talking to Mr. Shea, and we saw the oldest machine that was here.
Yes.
Even though there's one even older at the other location.
Yes.
Still running 24 hours a day with precision, knocking out parts, incredible in hard materials. Then we showed the audience their biggest machine, and that thing gave me chills. I mean, it looks like a playground. It's bigger than my house, Kevin.
Yes.
Crazy. So I wanted to grab you and kind of talk a little bit about your relationship with Chiao Fong, because he has over 50 machines, and over half of those are AWEA machines. We see one running in the background right now. So what's your relationship like with those guys?
I think the audience, they can recognize that this customer have so many machines from AWEA over the 20 years. And we trust that those AWEA machines keep bringing the good business to the customer. So they have the capability to keep ordering machine from AWEA.
Yeah.
And to make those machines running well, meeting the demand of the customer, we also have a very good quality service team to respond. When there is a demand, there is a question from the customer, we try to do our best to respond promptly. I trust that is the foundation that keep this relation moving on over the 20 years.
Kevin, I gotta be honest.
Yes.
You said the right thing, because I'm looking at the part here.
Yes.
I know the material that's being run.
Yeah.
I hear the tool making noise.
Yes.
Your machines are extra reliable, but something will always at one point or another have a hiccup, right? So saying what you just said is profound. When we invest in a machine this big,
Yes.
the time that it takes to make parts, the times that it takes to install, we can't have downtime.
Yes.
Service and support is so very important, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right, that's right. So when customer invest so much money on a machine of this size, we fully understand, we are in their shoe. We understand that those work pieces also very valuable. So if the customer need to deliver the component on time, the machine need to be working properly. So if there is a demand, we do our best to respond to the demand quickly, to make the machine keep working keep the machining running, going well to deliver the component on time to the customer.
Very good points. Let's start to walk. Kevin 2.0.
Yes.
Let's start to walk because I see some other machines moving around over here.
Yes.
And I know they have also expensive components. I like that you said that as well because scrapping a component is oftentimes the most expensive part of what can happen with failure, right? I mean, sometimes nobody wants a machine to crash. Nobody wants a machine to go down.
Yes.
But scrapping a part, the time that it takes, the material cost, the effort, the setup, the programming that goes into it, that is a huge gut punch, a huge loss.
Yes.
So again, just you need to have reliable machines and reliable partners. We went into your facility, we saw the spindles being made. We saw the care that you put into how all of these things are constructed from the ground up. Why do you think, after 40 years of AWEA, you guys continue to evolve and improve and make sure that when you deliver a machine, they can count on you for 24 hours a day,
Yes.
for 15, 20 years like we just saw?
Yes.
That is a big effort and a big mindset to make sure everyone who's watching is being taken care of.
Actually, Mr. Edward Yang, our founder, he was graduated from mechanical engineering. So he understands that to make the machine right, we also need to have the component precisely made. That's why the AWEA, the Great Group, we keep making considerable investment on the facility, on the equipment in the company. The target is very simple. We want to make nice, precise component in-house so we can make the machine also in a very nice quality. And because we try to make those components in-house, if there is a service demand, we are able to respond quickly because we make that in-house.
Yeah.
So this is a very important philosophy in the Great Group. And also, as the customer mentioned, he already have the machine over 15 years, 20 years, keep running. On one side, of course, maybe we sell less machine. But on the other hand, this is also a very nice reference to convince new customers our machine is reliable. You can trust the machine running for a long time.
Well, I know if I talk to you, you believe in AWEA,
Yes.
but to hear from the customer and hear their factual story, talking about running 24 hours a day for
Yeah.
15, 20 years,
Yes.
that to me takes every conversation to another level. Mr. Shea is standing right over here. He doesn't have any real reason to brag and say, I believe in AWEA, but he does because of the success through time, and he's willing to share that story.
Yes.
And then in reverse, you guys do an amazing job of making sure that you care about him and support it along the way as well. Mr. Shea, would you mind, for everyone watching right now, I know now that they've seen all of your machines, all of your capability, they want to work with you. What is your website and how can they find out more about your company and how to reach out with you?
You can see the IG or the website and the YouTube. You find the Chiao Fong and you can find us and the search us. So I can help to you to solve your job.
Absolutely. And I have a cheat code right here. I took a card out of his pocket when he wasn't paying attention. Did I do that?
Yeah.
So for everyone, Chiao Fong is CHIAOFONG Machinery. And yeah, give these guys check out their website. Absolutely incredible. Amazing company. Thank you both for being here. Thank you both for allowing
My
us
pleasure.
the time. Is there like a triple handshake? How does this
How
work?
to do that?
Yeah, I don't know.
So it's a triple win solution.
Yeah. All right. Thank you all for watching. We tried our best. I hope this resonates with you because this is what's capable when you invest in the correct partners. This is proof and this is service. This is years of experience showcasing to you how it's being done and what's potentially accessible for you as well. So thank you all for watching. We truly appreciate your time.